did. I bought a driver here last year.
Alright, let's go try out that one thing first, though.
If Grandma doesn't text me in the next like 15 minutes, then we'll make breakfast.
Ooh.
I love you boys. We'll move it so people don't trip me, Finn.
How are you?
Is it bad enough? It's even.
I thought this place looked familiar. I was here last year.
Oh, were you?
I bought a. Was it like 2 years? I bought a driver off of you.
Oh, okay.
That's kind of nice.
You gotta look high and low, because everything's packed in.
DVD player.
Are you gonna go ahead? Not full. It's really not full. Just fine.
They have a ton of stuff. Wish there were Yetis. Actually. Well, where?
Oh, look at this. Look at this, guys.
How much is that?
For this?
Yeah.
$4.
Get that.
That's cool.
Yeah, get that. I want that. I'll take it. I don't look a bit close too back there. But... You wanna hold this? Like that.
Have it.
Huh?
Have it.
What are these?
They're nice.
What size are these? Where's this?
Well,
Yeah, that's one.
what size? I like it.
Huh? No. I mean, no. Yeah, we don't need phone cases though.
Something?
I mean, maybe another one.
What is it? I have more makeup over here. That's like
I think it'd be it though. Okay, guys, I think that's it.
small. I think she had to pay for it.
That might be her pay for the day.
But you can move it down.
I know. That's why.
We can't look at this.